hoops on. It was back in May, and they were on for 60 seconds. Like, if you blinked, they were gone. And like so many people were like, oh, I should have gotten those in May, and they weren't there. Well, the good news is they're back now. But because they've been so popular already in the show, we only have about 390 left, about between 370 and 390. I've got a lot of you on the lines. These are gorgeous. Now, a little word of warning. When you get these, you'll want to wear them all the time, and you'll take them everywhere. I was just away this weekend, went up to visit family and friends, and what did I pack? I packed and wore my gold Technibond hoop earrings. The reason, and I have them in platinum, and I have them in yellow gold, and they will become, no doubt about it, your go-to earrings. You know when you go on vacation, you can't take all your jewelry, so you really only take your very favorite pieces? Well, that really speaks volumes when you pull your Technibond to take with you. And that's what I did. I wore my gold hoop earrings the whole weekend while I was away. And the nice thing about it is no one ever says, ooh, you know, those real. No, I know they're real because they are. I mean, they're 100% precious metal. They look great. And Avia, I've got to say, those are so gorgeous on you. Everybody will look good in the size, every hair length. I don't care what hair color you are or what skin color you have. These are dynamite, beautiful earrings. Now, I'm going to give you a comparison. I wish I had a typical hoop that you'd spend 59 bucks on. All right, here's what would happen. You go to a clothing store at the mall. You go in. They only have fashion jewelry. They're not carrying the good stuff. They only have fashion jewelry. How many of you, admit this, have bought a pair of hoops or an earring? You bought them because it matched that shirt perfectly, and the salesperson said, look how cute this is. Then you spent $39, $49, $59 on it. You wore them one time, and they fell apart. And it happens to all of us. And we know deep down when we're buying it, we feel a little bit guilty because we're like, oh, okay, I know these aren't going to last very long, or they're going to fade, or they're going to get those weird, funky gray marks, or they might bug your ears because it's a base metal. This is the real thing, and look at the size on this. I am telling you, these are the go-to. These are the ones you're going to go, oh my gosh, whether you have really short pixie style hair, a bob, really long hair, you wear your hair up, pulled back, it doesn't matter. It really doesn't. So we have about 1.5 inches that way. We're at about 2 inches up and down, but I want to show you the thickness of these. Now this is so crucial. What can you get right now in precious metal? Let's just talk sterling silver in a big 2-inch hoop. Well, if you could find it, I'll tell you what it's going to be. The thinnest little wire in the world. It's going to be like, oh, it looks like a piece of hair. You know, oh, wait, I've got round hair I'm wearing. That's what you can, that's what they'll sell you for $59. But here in Technibond, 100% sterling silver, and we finish it off with genuine 14-karat gold. And notice that beautiful twisted design. My gosh, you know it. How many of you have a hoop that's really small? And you say, well, but nobody can see it because my hair is always down. Or you say, you know what, I've got kind of an average size hoop, but I always want something a little bigger. Look at these, are wonderful. Oh my gosh, and they're sexy at the same time. And again, a lot of times when you wear hoops, your hair kind of gets in the way, you don't see them. These you can see, but they're not super heavy, and they're not like, you know, gracing your shoulders or dipping down to your shoulder. They're not that big. Oh, and right now, you guys really do have to kind of hurry. They made it on the air for 60 seconds in May. They're not going to last much longer in this airing. I can guarantee you that. And maybe you're watching Technibond for the first time, and you're like, I don't know where to start. The stuff looks great, but I don't believe them, or whatever. You're a little skeptical, and that's okay. You can be skeptical. You should be. Actually, I'm probably the most skeptical consumer here at HSN. I really am. I'm like everybody else. This is where I want you to start. Start here. Get something that, number one, you know you're going to wear, because most everybody loves and wears hoops. Number two, I want you to just really, wear them. Don't just pull them out like you would a solid 14K set, you know, once or twice a year because they're worth thousands of dollars now, right? Pull them out and wear them, wear them, wear them. And then if you're not thrilled, within 30 days, send it back for a refund. But if you've never tried it, the hoop it's like the little black dress of jewelry. Everybody needs hoops. And you know what? Most of you need hoops in different sizes because of the different outfit or different environments you're in or different occasions you're going to. You know, I have a ton of Technibond hoops. I really love them. Now, I want to show you something, too, because my caller earlier said that she had, and by the way, we're down to about 200 left, so we're getting to last call. She said she had Huggy earrings, and that's how she started. And she said she got a 3-pack. Well, guess what? This is pretty cool because I have these coming up. Now, I want you to see the difference. These are Huggy earrings, and they're great. These are the ones you wear to the football field, grocery shopping. If you have an office that's a little more conservative, you know, you put them on for that. These can be just everyday everything. And by the way, they reverse, so they go from a diamond cut and they reverse to a solid, which is great. You get two different looks out of it, right? But you get all three for $36.90. They're not coming up until next hour, and now that I'm showing it, I'm probably in trouble. But I do want you to see the difference, you know. So there it is for $36.90. Great price, by the way. Look at the size difference. I mean, this is sexy. This is, I'm going out. Hello, I'm very fashionable. I like to look Vogue. I want to go to work and really look smart and pulled together. I dare to be a little bit different. I love hoops, you know, and nothing better than a classic pair like this. There truly isn't. Now, unfortunately, these are almost gone, so we're down to last and final call. I do want to show you some features. This is so crucial. Number one, how many ever bought a hoop that has a straight pin on it? That is a very inexpensive finding, and what happens with a straight pin across is your hoop falls forward all the time on your ear. It's not balanced. You will find that that finding is very expensive, that little curved finding, and also you will hear the snap. There's a little snap on there, and that really represents the kind of quality that we demand. The other thing I think it's really cool is these are so sturdy. Guys, if you had a little wiry hoop and you really pulled on it like that, instantly it would go like that. You know it. Look how sturdy this is. You won't believe it. When you get these home, these are really made to last, yet they're still very, very comfortable. For a big hoop, they're absolutely dynamite. You don't even feel them on your ear, but they're really very, very strong hoops at the same time. All right, wrapping it up. This is going to sell out, so stay in the line for them if you will.